Hi guys, I'm Anushree. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day for me, special video for me. By the title you would have guessed, or maybe in the video you would know what exactly it is. So I have been vlogging since a year, more than a year actually, and this is my first camera that I own, like which is meant for vlogging only. So I have used many cameras, in not many but two cameras in the past. First was the Sony Cybershot, which was a point and shoot I think, and then was the Nikon P500, which was a proper DSLR. So this is my first camera that I own in this, for this channel specifically, and this is the Sony ZV-E10. So it has been on my bucket list since 2 years, like since it has come out, and I have it here. So I haven't even opened the Amazon parcel because I wanted to share this moment with you guys, since you have also been a part of my channel. So I want to take you through this special journey. So I'm unboxing in front of you only. So I'm so excited that I haven't opened. It was very hard to control, but I was like, no, I'm going to open it in front of you guys only. I should get a scissor. I got the Kaichi. So yes, I'm so excited. I don't know why. It's a very happy and special moment for me. This is awesome. Very good. So before I'll remove the box and then I'll tell you about it. So wow, okay, this is the package, and इतने बड़े box में, this is the size of the box and there is only this much, but it's good because it's safe. So before I unbox it, let me tell you about this camera. So this I came to know about this camera after watching Visha Khandelwal's review that she did, and I was like, wow, this camera has everything that is perfect for a vlogger like me. So it is a compact, like it's just small, very small, and it is meant for vlogging because under conditions like treks or something, it's better to have a small camera which could do a job of a DSLR. So it can, the lenses can be changed, the specifications are such that it is almost equal to a DSLR, and it has 4K shooting, it has background defocus, it has product, like if you do product videography, photography, then you know, if you show the product, it focuses on that quickly. And there are a lot of other features. I think this is not a video of me reviewing it, it is of me unboxing it, so I think I should do that. So this I'm going for the main bit. Not sure if you can see. I should get a. So we have a table so that you can see exactly what I'm unboxing and what is there inside it. So this is the main package. Love the packaging. There's like no chance of damage. I love it. Sony is really good with it. I have seen it in people's unboxing as well, that they have such good packaging that they do about behind every order. So okay, so before I noticed the cameras are recording. I don't know why, but I already opened the camera bag that came, so I didn't know that they are going to send this camera bag yet also. I was going to order it separately or else, but it's really good. I loved it. The inside has a good cushion, and there's a separate zip for to keep the batteries and the cords and the memory card. So it's really good. I love it. I love how Sony sends everything that is essential for you to keep your camera safe and carry it everywhere. So now I'm unboxing the the main center of attraction of this video and my favorite. I'm waiting for it since a long time, so let me open it. I'm so excited and happy. I don't know why. I have been waiting for this parcel since so long, and it has finally come. And I couldn't wait to open it, but I was like, no, I'm going to open it in front of you guys only, since you have been a part of my journey. So yes. Oh, so the first thing that I see is a memory card that they already have. We actually ordered it separately, but we didn't know they would send it. And it comes with 5-year warranty, which is really good. And there are accessories inside, they say. Okay, so I'll open it like this so you could see. So I'm opening it. The first thing is the strap for the camera. So this is really important because you need to keep your camera close to your heart, and even it's good for stabilization. Then there's the battery cord. The battery, it's just a battery. And you have like small pouches in which they have given everything, which is really great. I love it. Yep. So this is the battery pack. This is the battery. This is the adapter. So they have packed each of them separately, which is good. And then there's another cord which is C to USB, C type to USB, which is a important feature in this camera actually. And there is a wind muff. Wow, I didn't know it comes with this. I was going to order this also separately, but this is for because this camera is known for its three mic. I forgot the name.
इसने अपनी याददाश्त खो दी. अब ये कुछ भी याद नहीं रख पाता है. इस बीमारी को हम कहते हैं शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी लॉस.
3 mic something. I forgot. Oh my god, I was just talking about it a while ago.
ये कुछ मानो सिर्फ 15 मिनट के लिए ही सारी बातें याद रख सकता है. उसके बाद सब भूल जाता है.
But it is because it is called like that because it takes your sound from 3 directions, so it's really good. And the quality in the quality that the camera is recording of the voice itself is really good. You don't need to attach any external mics. Plus they have a wind muff which should be attached above the mic so that it also cancels the wind noise, which is great. Or then you have to do it while editing, which is a pain and it doesn't happen properly. So this is really good. And now we come to the main piece. Drum rolls, please. I don't know, that's how a drum is played, but anyhow. Oh my god, okay. This is the main camera. So let's get this out of the way. Oh my god, okay. I have like 440 current, watt ka current going in my body. Oh my god, okay. So this is the camera. And oh my god, I love how this feels. And the color black. Okay, so this is the mic, and you need to put the wind muff in this. I would do that all later. But there are a lot of functions like the background defocus and the slow motion video and all given here itself, where you can switch like this, which is really good because going to the settings and then the menu and then changing is a hassle sometimes. But yeah, this is the zoom lens. I ordered with the zoom lens. I ordered with the lens because I don't own a camera which could have. Like, I didn't have a camera before which the.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So the camera that I owned before, the lens couldn't be detachable. So I was like, let's do it from the beginning. So I've ordered with the zoom lens. So this is the lens, and oh my god, okay. I can't wait to try it. This is the flip out screen, which is used for vlogging. It's almost full frame and I love that. Maybe, okay. And yeah, I love how it feels. It's just the size of my palm, as you can see. It's so compact. I love that. So it's like, okay, I love it. I have been manifesting this since 2 years now because I have been putting. So I make a vision board every year at the start of the year, and I write or visualize things, actually put photos of things that I want to do, or like goals of my life, goals of my year that I put in the start of the year on my planner. So I have been doing this for 3-4 years now, and since 2 years I have put the same goal, same wish, same thing that I wanted, and that was just, of course, if you guessed it right, no bonus points. But yeah, I have been putting this on my vision board since 2 years now, and I'm so happy that it is finally happening. Oh my god. So I'm really excited, not because I own the camera, because I'm really looking forward to creating videos from this and giving you good quality videos from now on, which would enhance my videos, audios and my views and grow my channel in general. I have always been told by people that get a camera, invest, just upgrade to better equipment so you could improve your quality. I'm like, yeah, I will. So maybe this was the right time and I finally got it. I'm so happy. Anyways, so I ordered this from Amazon. So it has been a quite exciting few days because I got a new phone, which is the OnePlus, and you would have seen the unboxing, stop motion unboxing that I did on Instagram. If you follow me, if you don't, I would leave a link in the description. Go follow me for live updates and real-time videos and photos. But yeah, so after that, this is the one, and I haven't shot anything for Instagram because I wanted to do the big reveal on YouTube. So yeah, so then maybe next video could be where I master this camera in 15 minutes. So you could master your own camera with me in 15 minutes. That's the quickest I have thought of an video idea ever. Wow. Update kind of my channel, and I am going to keep a fixed schedule of posting from now, because I thought that would be best for you also to know when exactly you could come on YouTube and watch my videos. So my travel videos will come on Monday because I know Monday is a boring day, but the whole idea of posting on Monday is because after a tired and boring Monday, you would want to just refresh yourself and make your mood happy and light by watching travel videos of mine. So yeah, I think most of the people are on YouTube or Instagram on Monday, so I thought that would be the best time to post my travel videos, and such videos like tech related or treks, tips, like tips and tricks related to treks or traveling, packing videos, or such gadget related unboxing etc. videos would come on Saturday. So that is also, there is also a reason why I chose Saturday for it, because it's a weekend, and if I post such videos where you need to like practice yourself with the tricks and tips I'd give, or if it's a master of camera video, master of phone video, then it would be better that you have time to master it, to learn about it. You would need time to jot down points and stuff. So for that you need to be home and practice it properly. So the weekend would be ideal, unless you go on any weekend trips. Oh, that also reminds me that I forgot to tell you. Monday I kept for travel videos, because since I give you recommendations of weekend getaways and budget trips, it is good that I'll post on Monday, because you have enough time to plan and execute your trip on the coming weekend itself. So from Monday to Friday you have time, and you can go on Saturday, Sunday, or Friday to Sunday. So that's another reason why I chose. So yeah, so from now on my videos will come on Monday and Saturdays, and I would change the channel art. Yes, so I would change the channel art too, so you would know when exactly which video would come and when you could meet me on YouTube. So yes, I think this has become a very long video of me preaching. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit a like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you would be the first to notified about my upcoming videos. So till then, bye.